So many bunnies. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new cup project. So if you're looking at this setup here and you're thinking, oh, this again, just hang on a sec, give me a chance, because this is going to go in a bit of a different direction than previous cups have. I have here a 30-ounce thick tumbler from Makerflow. I've sanded it, spray painted it white, then I applied a layer of KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV resin mixed with Honey Lavender Ultrafine Glitter from Glitter Chimp. So that's on the cup as well already. That's where we're starting. I have sanded it very lightly and cleaned the cup off, and now we're going to put on some color using our waterfall or flood the cup method, basically. I'm using 4 Marabou inks. This is neon yellow, neon pink, neon blue, and they do not make, at least that I've been able to find, a neon green yet. So I'm using the metallic green for the green portion, and I'm going to go in that order down the cup. It's just to put a little background color over the glitter. I'm going to flood the cup with 91% isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to turn on my fastest turner. This is the one that goes
to 11.
I have it cranked pretty high. We'll see what we get. I am not using brass accents on this one. I'm just using these 4 colors. Here we go. I'm kind of cool with this. I'm going to crank it all the way. I'm going to let it spin till it dries, which won't be very long because this is alcohol. So it'll evaporate pretty quickly, and then we'll come back and we'll go on to the next step. Stay tuned. We're back. This has a couple layers of clear gloss spray on it, so the background's nice and shiny, and we are going to apply some water slides. If you've watched a few of my videos by now, you're probably aware that my absolute favorite YouTube creator is Anthony Cramen. From him, I've learned all about gel plate printing. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Gaff-free sculpting paint. The gorgeous Brusho crystals that I love so much, plus how much fun it is to glue eyeballs into flowers. If you don't watch this channel, you're definitely missing out. I will link to everything below. In his most recent Blind Pinterest Challenge video, he created an extremely cute teacup fairy garden.
I think it's absolutely adorable. I made it my little bitch.
And while I sometimes outright steal his ideas, this time I'm switching it up a bit and we are making a fairy garden tumbler instead. Using a whole mess of graphics I got off Etsy, I did a mock-up of how I want the tumbler to look if it were flattened out. And then using Cricut Design Space, I created these 2 water slides. Now I'm going to cut out both sections and we're going to put them on a cup. So here we go. This is my favorite Hippo HIIPOO water slide decal paper. I've sprayed it with 2 layers of Rust-Oleum Gloss Clear and then a 3rd layer of Plastidip Glossifier. Again, I will link to everything below, although in terms of price, your best bet is to see if you can find the Plastidip Glossifier at your local Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, someplace like that. All right, now, I think I want to put this one on first. Okay, now the tricky part, getting the second one in place. A tip I learned from Ray over at Ray's Turquoise Turtle: if you need to set the water slide that's been applied already down while you do another section, use the slimy side of the paper you just took that water slide off of. It's less likely to cause any troubles with the water slide you've already applied. Hot damn. Oh my God, I'm so happy. My only regret is my scootering bunny doesn't show up a little better. I could conceivably print out that exact same water slide a second time and basically double it by putting the same size one on top of that one to make it show up better. I may do that. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, I'm so in love. Ah, what a fantastic idea. This is so gorgeous. I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to let it dry. I'll bring you back for the next step. Hey folks, we're back. Okay, I decided to go ahead with doubling the bunny up. So I printed a couple more. So many bunnies. And I have sprayed them, and now I'm going to cut. Hopefully this will just take one, and you know, I'll have extras. All right. In you go, little fella. See if we can make this work. And there he is. Yay! It worked. Okay, now I'm going to put it aside, let the whole thing dry again. I will put a layer of resin on it. The next thing you see will be the big reveal out in the sunshine.